Oh, it's gone again! Oh, it's gone!
Oh yes! We have a new toy! The Traxxas XRT. And just look how much it costs in the UK. You guys in the US really just don't know how lucky you are. Oh yes! Look at that! Isn't that a sight to behold? We know this is based on the X-Max. This is a much lower slung car, much shorter shocks, longer arms, and that flat bedded chassis. And of course, not forgetting V8 power. Power! Being based on the X-Max, we know there are a few weak spots. Yes, even the mighty Traxxas cars have weak spots. So in this video, we're going to be fitting these subtle, but in my opinion, essential upgrades. I will be putting a link down below where you can get all these parts from. First item that needs addressing is the stock gears. They're made out of monkey metal, banana cheese, chocolate cheese, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to be fitting these Mod 1 hardened steel GDS gears. To get the spur gear off, we have to undo these 3 screws here. With the GDS spur gear, you do need to trim back these little lugs so totally out the way. You'll know when you're all the way in because this will be nice and flush with the rest of the spur gear. Now we need to take the motor out. Traxxas employ this pin system to set the mesh, so we need to change that to 2250 gearing. So on here, when you look, that is slot I. Now we put back in the spur gear. Gears all in there, perfectly meshed. Next, we're going to fit these out-dry sleeves. As that means we've got to remove these hinge pins. We'll also replace them with the RPM one. What these do is they engage and clip these together and just strengthen the whole area around here. Apply a bit of thread lock, line up your grooves and slide them on there. So that's the first one's done. I will now do the other ones off camera. So that's all the out drives and the hinge pins in. Next, we've got to fit this 3D printed wing support. It's got the flexibility there. Hopefully it's got the extra strength to stop it breaking. The final thing we need to do, place that stock ESC with a Max 6. Now a lot of people say, why do you have to replace it? You don't have to replace it. We just find that you get much better power delivery if you do replace that stock ESC. Now, just to get the wheels on, the moment of truth. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby.
Hello!
Hi.
Say hello!
Hi.
What have we got out?
Got the XRT.
And what are we doing first?
I'm guessing it's going to be a speed test along here.
Let's do it. Oh, can we get much speed on this road though? That's the question. Got pedestrians in the way. It'd be tough without hitting the cars. Did you bottle it a bit?
A little bit.
Oh, really? 47?
Not bad.
That's not too bad, is it?
Is it high speed gearing or no?
Yeah, semi-high speed.
You know what time it is.
Drag race time.
We've got runners and riders all lined up down here. Oh, it's going to be a carnage race. Oh, Callum's all over them. Oh, no, what did you hit?
Hit the bush.
Oh, I missed it. Is it okay? He took the bush out. Looks okay.
So that's okay.
Do you have a rerun? Because Callum didn't know what he was doing. Round that black bush round there. And avoid that bush there. You're going to call it? You go 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, they've gone. Oh! Absolute carnage out there. Oh, he's got the bush! Callum came second behind the fire team. Oh, that's not looking too healthy, that one. Oh, is it okay? Oh, it's looking a bit bushy. You like a bit of bush? Like a bit of bush. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you!
Not quite mega send time, but it's sendy
Is
time.
a mega send like a mega pint?
What's a mega pint?
It's like a big ass glass of wine.
Yes.
I like a mega pint.
Oh, I've got a bit of sun in our eyes, guys. Can't really see. Hopefully it comes out all right. That wasn't a mega send. Oh, that's on the wheel. That's how they break. What happened there, Callum? Slight problem here. The screws have come out. That's no good, is it? Oh dear.
6-year-old versus car.
Was that you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
Does that mean you've got to pay
rascal.
for it?
No.
Have you got to pay for it?
No.
Have you got to fix it as well?
Tomorrow, you can
No.
get me a bird.
I'm totally and utterly out of breath. Walking up that hill. Nightmare. I need to get fit. Too much Christmas pudding.
Log of doom.
Log of doom. Now remember, Callum, avoid the knobbly bit. Avoid it. What was that, Callum? Did it survive? It was a nasty hit. I think we're okay though. Yep, quite a very good one. So we try one more. You know what happens with one more? Oh, this is okay though. Looks like it took it, Callum.
It has.
Yeah, where now?
To the skate park.
This is probably our second favourite skate park. We've got some seriously silly jumps to do with XRT here. See how durable it really is. What do you want to do?
Send it.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Suicide jump.
Yes, what one?
First one we're going to do, off this ramp, hit that ramp, and try and clear that railing over there. Can you do it?
Absolutely not.
Oh, it's a chassis slapper. Look at that face. He doesn't like, oh. I think we're okay though. Oh, where's he gone? Is it okay? Yes. Again.
Yes.
You didn't clear that railing, Callum. Oh dear. Oh yeah, the wing's gone definitely. Good, it's all split there. Split up there, all come apart again. So I'm sorry Anthony, but no, it's a foul. Doesn't work.
Rear drive shaft right hand side.
No.
That happened at the log.
Oh yeah, don't worry about that.
That happened at the log.
They're bent on the X-Max as well. Look, wiggly, 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 bendy, wendy. Front's a bit wendy, wendy as well. What are you doing to my car?
Not my fault.
All right. Next one, far ramp. Hit this ramp and try and clear this. Or try, if we can get it on the down as well, we can then send it off of that. Oh yes, and again, keep going. Could have kept going. Oh, I didn't land. Go. And again. Oh, yes, he's got it.
I went to put the power on and nothing happened.
Oh, it's not LVC, does it? It's just come unplugged. Oh, lipo's come out. Got another slight problem. Chassis gone. Punched a hole through, look. Look at that. Come on, Traxxas, sort these chassis plastics out. Like the XRT could be on its last legs with that chassis out. So we are going to do what?
The super mega jump.
So what's that then?
Take a run up across this field, flat out, like full speed, and then we hit that jump there and clear the railings over
We'll
there.
send it off over there somewhere. Into the trees, into the woods, into the moon.
Into orbit.
It's going up there, to the moon.
Oh, you've got to go and get that. Oh, that flew. Where's it gone? It's gone. It's just gone.
It's the other side of the fence.
Oh, there it is, down there, look. Oh, Mitch is going to get it for us, look at that. Oh, can he get it? Thank you, Mitch. You gonna go again?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, it's gone again. Oh, it's gone. Gone. Bye. Something we've always wanted to do is send the DR8 off of this ramp. Because we think it's going, it's just going to go. It's going to be gone. It's going to be joining the XRT over there somewhere. Or, Callum will hit that box. One or the other though. Second one. Oh, that's... Oh, where's that gone? It's over there somewhere. That's with the XRT. Bye, there's a couple of remote control cars over there.